Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. I just have a real quick video. I wanted to show you the VIPs for Sparkle & Co. for this month. For those of you who watch my channel a lot, you know I adore Sparkle & Co., fantastic company. If you subscribe to their I Want It All boxes, any of the I Want It All subscription boxes, you can also upgrade to a VIP membership, which basically means you get next month's release colors a month ahead of time. So I have had this for about a week, but I just wanted to show you what colors are coming up for release in the month of February, because they are gorgeous. So I love being able to get colors ahead of time because I can kind of check them out. And I did choose the option. You can do just the dip, you can do just the gel, or you can do both. So I chose to do both because obviously, you know, I can't get enough. So I've pulled these out here. So we've got 2 new gels coming up, and these are gels that will be released to the main line, so they can be purchased by anyone, which is really cool. If you are looking at the subscription unboxings, those are exclusive colors that you can only purchase if you have a subscription. Even if you have a smaller subscription, they'll let you purchase some of the other colors. If you have, like, say for example, the you know, regular dip bag and you want the color that came with the luxe bag, you can definitely go back and purchase that. So let me just show you real quickly. The new gel colors coming up are 116 Love Struck and Unrequited Love, which is a beautiful black with pink glitter in there. So gorgeous. And then we also have, for the new dips, Love is in the Air, which is a beautiful pale pink, and then Miss Flirty, which is just a gorgeous pink with silver glitter in there, and I cannot wait. The reason I wanted to do this really quick unboxing is I have my nails all prepped and ready. I'm gonna use some of these colors to create a new mani for this next week, so I'm really excited to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and get that filmed right now, so I'll try and put these 2 videos up at the same time so you can go directly into that manicure video to see me use these colors. Super excited. We'll see you back soon on the Maniac.